Imagine a house that seems to defy gravity, not through a dramatic gesture, but through deep respect for the place where it stands. VCS Canyon House in Modica, in Sicily, is a single-family residence built on a site of extraordinary landscape value, near the edge between a plateau and a vast ravine, a deep and expressive valley that defines the character of the place. Instead of leveling the lot or trying to dominate the slope, the project responds directly to the landscape. The terrain has a gentle incline that suddenly becomes a steep, rocky cliff, as if the ground simply opens into the void. And rather than denying this condition, the house blooms at its meeting point with the precipice. Access is provided by a metal grating walkway that runs along the edge and at certain points appears to float in midair. For those who walk across it, the sensation is of being literally suspended between the plateau and the valley, a visceral experience of proximity to the void and to the open views beyond. The first visible gesture is its structure. The house is elevated on 12 steel columns, as if suspended above the canyon. This solution is not merely aesthetic, it stems from an understanding of the topography, allowing the building to land on the edge of the cliff without crushing the natural terrain. Composition and form are clear. The body of the house can be understood as two parallel horizontal platforms that embrace interior volumes serving different functions. This organization creates visual transparency and spatial fluidity, allowing the eye to pass through the house and connect directly with the canyon landscape. Inside, the home operates with an open floor plan where living and dining areas connect, separated by a central element that houses the kitchen and storage, but without rigid walls. This organization creates a continuous flow, reinforcing the sense of openness that the large glass openings provide. Large opposing glass windows, one on the north side and one on the south, provide uninterrupted views of the ravine and its surroundings, as if the house were a frame placed within the landscape. Even so, the building's materiality, steel, concrete, and glass, maintains a delicate balance between architectural presence and visual lightness, without competing with the scenery. There was careful attention to solar orientation. The long sides of the house, exposed to the north and south, ensure natural light throughout all seasons. In addition, the project incorporates thermal performance strategies, such as solar radiation control through high-performance glazing, shading solutions, and materials that help maintain thermal comfort in both summer and winter. The sloped metal roof is supported by large iron trusses, a reinterpreted reference to the region's traditional rural structures that were once built to expand agricultural activities using simple and lightweight materials. Here, that principle is elevated into a fully contemporary context, maintaining the idea of lightness and transparency that is so central to the concept of this house. Another important aspect is sustainability. The roof houses photovoltaic panels, and the overall set of solutions places the building close to an NZEB, nearly zero energy building, meaning nearly zero energy consumption. This makes the architecture not only visually striking, but also environmentally responsible. At its core, VCS Canyon House is a sensitive response to the dramatic topography of Sicily, a house that does not try to hide or flatten the landscape, but celebrates the relationship between dwelling and elevation change, between solid and void. It is an architecture that floats between two worlds, the stability of the plateau and the depth of the valley, transforming this dialogue into a singular living experience.